Hello guys, Guilherme is here. Welcome to the crypto universe, and now I'm gonna show you a project for the CATZ fans, a CATZCOIN token project. I'm here in the website of this project, and oh my goodness, look at this cat. It's just amazing. I love it, this cat. It's not a cat, it's a tiger. Wow. So guys, before I begin, give me a like, subscribe my channel, it will help my work. Let's go! Firstly, this is not a buy recommendation, I just want to show you some information about this project and how to buy the token of this project, right? So guys, in this tutorial, I will buy the CATZCOIN token using my MetaMask wallet, and I have two comments about this. First, the CATZCOIN token is available on the Binance Smart Chain, so I need to change the network here in my MetaMask wallet. How can I do this? It's very easy. Click on this button, Ethereum mainnet, and select this option, Smart Chain. If this option does not appear here in your MetaMask wallet, see this tutorial and I will show you how to configure this, right? Clicking in this option, and now I'm in the MetaMask wallet in the Binance Smart Chain. And the second, I need to have BNB in my MetaMask wallet. Why? It's very simple, because I will buy the CATZCOIN token using BNB. Let's go to the coin market cap and I will show you some information about the CATZCOIN. Let's begin talking about the name of this token. CATZCOIN or CATZ with Z. It's very important, with Z. The price at the moment, look the price. Down the page, you can see the CATZCOIN chart. This is very important to say, guys. This is a new token, just 1 month, okay? Where can I buy this token? I will buy this token using the PancakeSwap version 2. Okay guys, up the page, in contracts, I will copy the address contract, this token in the Binance Smart Chain. Copy address, copy it, and now I'm going to get more information. This is the official website of this project. In Explorer, I have two options, BSC scan and the real-time charts, if you want to see this in real time. Community chat, you can click here if you want. In Explorer, in my opinion, I have good information in BSC scan, like total supply and holder. For me, this is a very important. Okay guys, so let's go to the website of this project, and oh my goodness, this cat is so very beautiful. What are the goals of this project? First, create an international community to join CATZ fans, the CATZ Nation, and second, provide support, help for the homeless cats. In the website, they have social networks, join Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other informations like current price, market cap, number of wallets, and the best, in my opinion, charity budget. What else? The partners of this project. And about us, you can find the team, the CATZ team, and other informations. And finally, please, if you will invest your money in this project, read the white paper of this project. It's very important. And now, let's go to buy this in the PancakeSwap. Click on this button, yellow button. And now I'm here in the PancakeSwap, and my MetaMask wallet is connected in this platform. Look my address here, and now I will insert my BNB amount, for example 0.01. this is the CAT amount, and click in swap, confirm swap. Wait a second, this is the gas fee, confirm and wait. Okay, wait a second. I bought the CATZCOIN token. And now go to the MetaMask wallet and lost? Where's my token? Relax, keep calm. Go to the coin market cap, take the contract address on the Binance Smart Chain of this token, copy address, return to the MetaMask ID token, click in this button, paste the contract address, and next, ID token. Ta-da! This is the CATZ token, it's here now. look, this is the CATZ token. It's here in your MetaMask wallet, right? That's it, guys. Bye bye.